Coming up today on Bake Angel, let's make some chocolate chip cookies together. Hey bakers, it's Angela from Bake Angel. Welcome back. Today we're going to make something that is an absolute favorite in our household, and that is some vegan chocolate chip cookies. So I'm starting by adding 125 grams of plant-based butter, 75 grams of brown sugar, and our secret ingredient, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup to a mixing bowl. Now I love adding maple syrup to my chocolate chip cookies because it really does add an extra element of sweetness and just is so good. It really complements the brown sugar as well. Give that a bit of a mix together until that's all fully combined, and then we're going to start adding the rest of our ingredients. So we have 175 grams of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of plant-based milk. We're going to give that a mix together as well so that we're forming our cookie dough. And then once it all comes together, we're going to add in our plant-based chocolate chips. Now I'm adding about 100 grams of chocolate chips here, but you could add more if you wanted to. You could even mix it up and add maybe some white chocolate and regular chocolate chips at the same time. Then I'm going to fold them in. So I prefer to fold them in rather than use the mixer for that because it just makes sure they're a little bit more evenly distributed. And there we go, that is our cookie dough done. How simple was that? This is such a quick and easy recipe, and I really hope you're going to try it. Next, we're going to go ahead and put them on our baking tray. Now my baking tray has not been greased. I'm not using parchment paper either. So you're literally just using a small ice cream scoop, popping the balls of dough onto that, and then we're going to bake them in our preheated oven. I preheated that to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're going to go in there for about 18 to 20 minutes. And let's have a look at what they're like once they're baked. Don't they look great? So they're nicely golden. They've spread out a little bit as well, but they've still got a nice bit of depth to them. So they smell great too. So let's have a look at the bottom. I'm just going to peel this one off. You can see they're slightly brown underneath as well, which is the way I like it. But they're still going to be slightly gooey inside as well. Now in total, this recipe made about 15 chocolate chip cookies. And I love that it's not really using anything out of the ordinary here. These are all items that you should have in your pantry. And then once they've cooled a little bit off of the tray, I'm going to actually transfer them onto my cooling rack. But we do tend to eat them when they're still warm because they are so good when they are warm out of the oven. So as you can see, there's 15 there. Some of them are a little bit smaller, but that's okay. And I will pop the link for the scoop that I use in the description below as well. Also, don't forget, you can always find the full recipe for my bake along videos in my description, and that will always have the ingredients in weight and also in cups as well. Let's break one apart and see what it looks like inside. Look at that. Really great distribution of the chocolate chips. Nice and soft and squidgy inside as well. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this quick bake along this week. Let me know what you think of these chocolate cookies, and if you're going to have a go at baking them, hit that subscribe button as well, and why not share this video with your friends. Don't forget to check out my baking playlist for other great recipes, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.